Let me show you how to turn off active status on Messenger. Now, if you're on Facebook Messenger, either on the app or the web-based version, and you see everybody is online and you're sharing your active status as well, I'll show you how to turn it off. And keep in mind, you might also want to turn off Facebook because Messenger and Facebook are separate. I'll show you how to do it. So of course, if you haven't already, open up the Messenger app here, and you'll be able to see at the very bottom right are those three lines. Let's tap on those. And then at the very top, let's tap on the settings. You'll be able to see at the very top is your active status. It says when turned on, it'll show your active status. Keep in mind, by turning this off, you won't be able to see anyone else's active status as well. However, keep in mind, you might want to turn it off on Facebook. So open up the Facebook app, tap on menu, scroll down, open up settings and privacy, and then the settings. Now within here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to active status. You can see it is turned on here. All I need to do is toggle that off. And now no matter what, nobody will know if you're online on Facebook or Messenger. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks guys.